can add multiple admin users to your account with various access levels. To send an invitation to a new or existing user, just click on your logo in the top right-hand corner and choose Account Access from the drop-down menu. Now let's click on Invite New, and then select whether you are inviting a new person who has not previously used Induct for Work, or choose from existing users. Now let's select what level of access you would like your user to have: full admin, site manager, or supervisor. Then click on Invite Selected. Your user will receive an email to confirm the acceptance for a new account role. As soon as your user confirms a new account role, their new role will get displayed in the User Access area. From here, you can turn their notifications on or off. You can also change their access level to the system, or even revoke it altogether. When you change your admin user's access, the changes take place immediately after you click Confirm. No emails are generated. When you revoke the access, you can also choose to provide the reasons, which can be referenced later. On the next help page, we are going to Induction Settings to see how notifications can be turned on and off, and how to choose a certificate of completion. Thanks for watching and happy inducting.